This video is presented to you by Iqbal Sajid. Don't waste time. You cannot waste time standing in the same place year after year. Don't say someday or sometime. That is the disease of inaction, a crippling fate where your dreams slowly fade to never happen. Your dreams are too important. There is nothing you cannot do. You are unstoppable. Dare to live your wildest dreams now. In life, to face your fear is to have won. For facing your fear is fear all done. I believe, I believe, I believe. Tell yourself that I believe in myself, my ability as well as capability thrice before a hurdle, then, you are ready to conquer it. Follow your dreams. Success is the shadow of hard work. We never succeed in dreams, we succeed in our real life. So keep working hard and succeed. There is a you in success. A good life should always be made, not to be waited for. Failure sometimes gives you the opportunity to know and discover your hidden abilities. Failure revolves around those who progress. Books are like drugs, the more you read, the more you will be addicted to reading. To wish is to waste. To dream is to design. To do is creation of the dream. Things happen only when somebody makes them happen. If you try, it will make your life change. It's okay to make a mistake, as long as you are moving forward. Because I can and I am not afraid. A little encouragement can build a person's life and set them up for greater things to come, yet the smallest bit of criticism will kill a person's self-esteem and hold them back from achieving the great things they could. So the next time you are about to criticize someone, remember you could be changing their future. And the next time you receive criticism that kills your motivation, do not accept it. Draw on hope, faith, and the truths we know are in us. Remember, the tongue has the power of life and death. There's only one panacea for all your worries. God. Guard well your spare moments. They are like uncut diamonds. Don't place your mistakes on your head, their weight may crush you. Instead, place them under your feet and use them as a platform to view your horizon. When you read quotes about success, you find that different suggestions work for different people. Our success quotes section has many unique quotes. We're sure you can discover a quote or two you can relate to. Whether they are called personal development, personal success, self-improvement, personal growth, or any other name, all are geared to helping you be your best. To you and your success. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share. Wait a moment. Don't forget to subscribe youtube.com/iqbalsajid.